beauty and grace of motherhood, but also the unyielding spirit and strength that you find in every mother in our community. In celebration of the feast of our Mother of Perpetual Health, we are honored to showcase the remarkable women of San Juan dos. These mothers embody the true essence of devotion, perseverance, and unconditional love. Tonight is a tribute to the heart and soul of our families, our mothers, moved by their stories and inspired by their resilience. This is the Grand Coronation Night of Gandang Nanay 2024.
Ani-ana sa entablado. Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan! Ako si Naniling Quiapo, 39 of age, adunay duha ka anak o isa ka apo. Representing Gandang Nanay ng Zone 3! Tulog ka anak, isa kayo nadap, atiklan. Naisa ka po, og naay batang gwapo! Evening, everyone. Ako, si Riva na po, 35 years old. Pati ako sa inyong pananaw, pero tutukin malan ako.
Good evening, San Juanos. My name is Rupumay Dablo Habisan, representing Zone 4. Bata man sa inyong paningin, pero ako ay may 3 anak. Thank you!
Ladies and gentlemen, your host, one of the premier and most celebrated hosts in the region. A round of applause to John Qualiota.
Mayong gabi, San Juanos! Can we do it one more time? Gusto na akong madunggan ang inyong pinakakusog na siyagi ng pagpag. One more time, everybody. Good evening, Sitio San Juanos! Now that's the energy. Tonight, Makikara, we celebrate all of our nanays. And I believe they're all proud to be one. And so timely because we are celebrating your very own patron saint, Mother of Perpetual Health. And tonight, we celebrate all of our nanays. Diba? Sobrang Mother's Day lang ating celebration this evening. And with that, San Juanos, we give your candidates a round of applause, please. And to all of you, welcome to the Grand Coronation Night of Gandang Nanay 2024. And with that, candidates, you may now take your exits. I'll see you all later.